Guys, in one of my past videos I showed you a vacuum sealer, and in the comments you asked me for more videos with it, something more funny. In general, this device is intended for vacuum packaging food in such bags, and in the past video I sealed chicken eggs. That was painful, and even a banana that did not flatten at all. So today I want to have a little fun and vacuum seal this blue fluffy slime, giant Orbeez, and Marshmallow, and yeah, Homunculus. Here it is, a freshly prepared fluffy slime, the new one, because you remember that one that I did before was a little spoiled, or rather flushed. Watch the video if you still didn't. I don't know why, but I like to play with slime. TIMON doesn't like it because it's not food. Okay, let's do that. Look, there is no air and a little slime inside. But see what happens if I put this vacuum bag in a vacuum chamber. The package puffed up and slime itself enlarged and completely filled the package. I'm gonna stop it. I don't want to wash the slime from the vacuum chamber. And just look at this. It's the same with no air inside. Okay, let's open the bag and see what's up with slime. Oh, nothing. It's the same. Okay, let's try to repeat, but with the marshmallows. What do you think? Will it be the same as with that slime? Let's check that. Just look at this, as it is one piece of huge marshmallow. Okay, let's put it in the vacuum chamber. See how it enlarged? But if you turn off the vacuum chamber, everything will come back. And now, let's see what will happen to this Orbeez. Just look at this. Hey, TIMON, stop that. TIMON, stop that. Okay. What the huge balls, Orbeez. Remember what happened to the eggs in the past video? Orbeez is soft and it seems to me it just flattened. But what do you think? What will happen to it? Okay, let's find it out. That's incredible. Nothing happened to it. Just look. Okay, but let's try to put it in the vacuum chamber. Okay guys, it seems that these things are the winners of today. It don't fare a vacuum sealer and even a vacuum chamber. Just look at it, unbelievable. And the last for today, but the most funny. Remember this little guy? He likes to play with the trains. Well, you understand. Just look what will happen to him now. This slimy little guy turned into a slime with the eyes. Just in one moment. Funny stuff. I have a whole series of videos with him. Be sure to watch it. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.